That's 4. You can catch another solo or a duo come in like that. Well, nice little morning. First ever shot at a solo hunt. Ended up getting these 4. Almost had 5. Had a shot at 1 in that first group that came in, but he unfortunately got up over the trees and it looks like he was fine and he made it out of the field. So, not gonna complain. Saw lots of birds. They worked the spread nice, and yeah, it worked out nice. So good first attempt at a solo hunt. I definitely would probably want to do a few more of these because that was fun. So nice short little video for you guys. We'll see you in the next one.